Good morning, you guys. So right now I'm waiting on my package to come. On the video that's coming out today, which is Tuesday, I asked y'all to guess what it is, and whoever guesses, I do a giveaway. I'm still gonna do that. So I'm gonna look through the videos today, Wednesday and Thursday, and whoever gets right, I'm gonna do like a little Visa card giveaway. Probably about maybe $25. But yeah, I'm on number 4 on the list. So they come between 9:30 and 1:30. So yeah, I'm just sitting here waiting, doing a little bit of cleaning as I'm waiting. But yeah, I'm so excited. Alright, so as you guys saw, I got a new refrigerator. A new fridge. Because our other one has been really giving us trouble. But yeah, like I said, this is a GE. Open it up. So this is what the inside looks like. So the last refrigerator we had this big bulky thing right here, and the ice maker was here. So that took up a lot of space, and I didn't want that. So I got all these side drawers here, as well as on this side, which I love. They have the adjustable shelves here, so you can adjust those. The drawer, the pull-out drawers here, and this is the freezer part. Love it. Nothing special. But yeah, that's it. All I gotta do is just let it cool off, and then I can start putting my stuff. Oh, my little ice water dispenser thing is here. It does make ice down here. Not sure what kind of ice it makes. And the filter is up here out the way. But yeah, that is it. Love it. So before I start putting stuff here in the fridge, I'm just going to give it a quick little wipe down. I'll probably do a more deeper clean later on. Right now, I just want to get it wiped out and go ahead and get my stuff put inside. So the cleaner that I'm using here in the fridge is a stainless steel cleaner. It's one of the ones that I don't like, but I need to try to use it to get it out the way. But I didn't like the way that it had the fridge looking, so you'll see me come back with a glass cleaner and clean the fridge, which worked out a lot better. So here I'm just swapping out two of the shells. One of them retracts back, and I wanted to put the retractable one down to the bottom and the other one to the top, so that way I can put my drinks inside. So that's what I'm doing now. Alright, so let me show you guys what my old fridge is, and it's sitting right over here by my freezer. We didn't get it, you know how they can haul it out, but we didn't do that. We're just gonna put it out there under our shed or wherever my husband decides he wants to put it. I don't know. I would have just let the people took it. But yeah, I got to get it all cleared out, which I'm about to do right now. Y'all, and this refrigerator has been really giving us some problems. Now I can organize it a little better. I think that one, it looks big, but I think it's a little smaller than this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything cleared out. But before we start taking the stuff out the fridge, I got some organizers here that I want to show y'all. I got these from out Walmart. This is the refrigerator storage bin set, which I bought to organize my fridge a little better, as well as these liners, because I don't want it to get as nasty as the old one was. So I'm gonna first measure the liners. No, first I should clean out the bins, then I measure the liners. I'll probably do that first. Yeah. I also bought these bins to store inside my freezer. Hopefully they'll fit. So we're gonna get these washed up as well. So now that I got the beans all cleaned out, I'm just going to let them sit and dry. And as they're drying, I'm going to be measuring the little liners to put inside the fridge. And I think I just did the shelves. I didn't do like the doors or the pull-out drawers. And I didn't do the freezer either. I think I'm going to do that another day because after this, I was getting tired of doing it. So that's why you just see me doing this part.
Forever, yeah. Ooh, can I tell you, baby? Can I let you know? Can I let you know? Can I tell you? Ooh, can I tell you? Can I let you know? Let you know? Can I tell you that I'm digging your style? Can I let you know? And I'm feeling your mood? Can I tell you? Can I tell you? Can I tell you? Can I tell you?
So now that the containers are dry, I'm going to go ahead and place them in the fridge where I think I may want them. Not sure if it's going to stay like that, but for now, I'm going to put them in here the way I think that I want them. And then we're going to move on from there. Now that I kind of got the beans where I want in the fridge, I'm going to go ahead and start taking things out the old one. And I'm not going to show me taking everything out because this is a lot of stuff and I don't want to be bringing the camera back and forth and back and forth. So I'm just going to show you guys some of it.
Stuck you in looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. Got stuck you in looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely.
So I can tell that these shells here are made out of good quality material because y'all, this thing was hard to get out and it was hard to get in. It was a tight squeeze. So hopefully they don't break as easy as my other ones in the other fridge did. I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed on that one.
No more empty vases, passionate and so nurturing. And watch it grow from the seeds you sent. Now you reap all the benefits. Ooh. Let the fears fly away, ride it out like a wave, calling in all your favors. Call 'em in. Let the fears fly away, ride it out like a wave, allow yourself some grace. You can have it. Just like the wind, just let it pass through. Just put it past you. You do what you do. Just like the wind, just let it pass through. Just put it past you. You do what you do. It's new now, cause he left all the baggage behind. Took a chance and just look what you found.
So when I was doing the other side of the fridge, I thought I had moved the camera, but I guess I didn't. So you'll see me putting it in, but you won't see much of it. And I just want to apologize for that. But we're gonna go ahead and get stuff put on the other side of the fridge.
Just like the wind, just let it pass through. Just put it past you. You do what you do. Lately, my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning. Wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here?
Now that I got the fridge the way I think I want it, I'm going to go ahead and move it down here to the freezer part. I'm just going to place those beans that I washed down here. And then we're going to go ahead and start placing the food back in the freezer.
Gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you. hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here? Morning and waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe. But I got to say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you. Can't go one more day without you. No, no, can't go one more day. No, I can't. Day without you. One more day. I can't go one more day without you. No, I can't go one more day.
So pretty much in order for us to save some space, I took a lot of things out of the box. Some of the things that have to be warmed up, the kids already know what temperatures they need to be on because that's mostly what they eat anyways. So I didn't have to worry about keeping any of the box instructions or anything like that. So alright, so I'm taking everything out of the old fridge. So this is the old fridge here. Everything's out of it. Just about everything is out the freezer except for a few things. They'll probably end up going in the trash. Alright you guys, so I've got everything put inside the refrigerator. So I'm going to show you guys what all I did. So on the side of the door, I just got some, hold on y'all, let me turn this TV on. Alright, so like I say, on the side of the door, I have, this is where I keep my bacon grease. I keep it in the freezer, and yes, I do keep bacon grease. Here, I got all my drinks, my protein drinks, and my Alani. Here is just some different kinds of condiments. Down here is condiments from like restaurants and things like that. On this side of the door, I have a lot of room for stuff, and plus I got more room I can put up condiments. But hopefully we don't fill the refrigerator up like we used to. But on this side, I just have more condiments and dressings, and down here is where I'm gonna keep my butter, which I need to buy some. Up here, I got these containers here. They may stay here, they may move out, but in this one, I had like some like cookies and stuff that we usually keep in the fridge. There, as you can see, there's nothing in this and this, which may move. I got some things coming in the mail, so hopefully those will be in soon. Here I have my eggs, which I bought a new egg thing to kind of, well, y'all will see when I get it. So my drinks in the old refrigerator used to be over here, so I switched them on this side, and it's a little pull-out drawer you can pull out. But being that I need to put the drinks here, I just put the drinks on this side, and this drink stuff behind it, like my creamer, stuff that'll fit back there. Here I have fruit. This is where you're supposed to keep fruits and vegetables, but since I got them up here in the containers, I'm going to use this for bread that I don't want to leave out and I don't want it to spoil. Here I have some vegetables. Y'all, let me turn this off. Here I have vegetables. Down here, this is where I keep like thawed out meat, deli meat. Since they're in the container, I don't have to worry about them getting contaminated. Over here, I just have cheese. And that is it for the refrigerator part. Now let's move on to the freezer part. And y'all, this is not aesthetically pleasing like I be seeing all on the TikTok. I did it to fit whatever stuff that I had. But a lot of stuff I took out the containers. I just have like little frozen quick little meals for my kids. Here I have ice cream. Back in the back I have like little freezer ice packs. Okay, so here I have room to put like little frozen meals. In here just some little miscellaneous meals. Here I got fries, chicken fries, my cheese, frozen cheese that I keep frozen in this here. This container has all my vegetables, frozen vegetables, and fruit. Frozen fruit is here. And that's pretty much it for the freezer. This is where my ice gets made, which I feel like it didn't need to be this big, but I need to wipe it out before it make ice. Let me do that. And I wish I really have to have this, because this thing is so big. It doesn't have to be this big. It's taking up a lot of space, but that's okay. You know what? I gotta see if the ice maker on. I don't even know if the ice maker on. But I'm gonna clean this out, and that's pretty much it for the fridge and the freezer. So I just wanted to come on here and close the video out. So I guess nobody guessed what my big surprise was. I guess nobody watched the video to the end because I was doing a giveaway. But that's okay. It'll be another giveaway another time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.